What's up, everybody? It is day number 28 of me pulling my mini sled with 45 pounds around the park for a mile and a half. I have been sitting in my car for the last 15 minutes trying to muster up the energy to go today. So I don't expect my time to be great or anything like that, but some days you just gotta get it done. So let's go. So, hold on, I just feel like I'm done. If you need a cheerleader in your life, go to the park and find you some old lady friends. These elderly women who walk around this park, complete strangers, cheer me on every single day. And it's awesome. It cracks me up every time, so I'll cheer for you. I'm telling you, go to the park, just go find you some old lady friends. These women are awesome. Have to make it super quick because I'm about to run out of memory, which is kind of the story of my life right now. But I finished today, day number 28, in 43 minutes and 41 seconds. So a little bit slower than normal, but not by much. I started dieting yesterday, so I can definitely tell that I'm having a hard time just getting going. But it's all right. I'll get used to it. I'll push through it, and it'll all be good. But yeah, so started today and sat in my car for 15 minutes while I waited at the park because I couldn't muster up the will to do this today. But as I got through it, I always meet some really great people here at the park almost every day, so they cheer me on or give you a high five or a thumbs up, and it's always good. I don't know, I love the old ladies at the park. But that's all I got today. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 29 because we only have two more days. 2. That's it. And 30 days are done. So go do something hard today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.